Hi folks, today we are moving a 1300-pound gun safe between houses. We need to be extra careful to avoid cracking the ceramic flooring where the safe is sitting on. We use a steel sheet and rollers to shift the gun safe away from the staircase. Next, we wrap the gun safe to avoid damages to the finishing or to the locking mechanism. After attaching our hydraulic equipment, we roll the safe to the truck to be winched up. At the destination, we pad the flooring where necessary and prepare ramps to push the safe inside of the house. We pay special attention to the delicate flooring and position the safe where requested by the customer. We land the safe in felt pads, unwrap the safe, push it in position and make the final adjustments. One more job done. God bless America. If you enjoyed our video, please give us the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like that. Thanks for watching.